In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Closer by the Chainsmokers and featuring Halsey. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. Oh baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. Hey, thanks so much for checking out this video. If you got your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, then let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, I want to let you know that there's a chord chart available for Closer, and you can find it in my ukulele songbook, which also contains chord charts for every song that I've taught through this channel. So check it out, link is in the description. And finally, I want to give a special thanks to my friend Chance Wagonfield for supporting me on Patreon and for allowing me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. So to play the song Closer, there's 3 chords that we need to know, and those chords are C major, D major, and E minor. Now, if you already know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is D major. To play that, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. And the last chord for the song is E minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Let's play through that string pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for the first half of the string pattern, D major for the second half, E minor for the first half, and then back to D major for the second half of that string pattern. Let's combine these elements and play it together now. 1 and 2 and C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. And now let's play that chord progression and the string pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Closer. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Closer. And that's how you play Closer by the Chainsmokers featuring Halsey. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends Flight Music for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase my signature uke. It's called the TUC UCU. It's available for purchase worldwide, and if you want to get your hands on this ukulele model, then check out the link in my description box below. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to check out my ukulele songbook, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.